This is arranged in ascending order. How? First we can write this, and this is we can write, and this is we can write. And now LCM of this is 3, 4, 6. Their LCM is the 3, 1, and this is the 1, 2, and so LCM is 4 into 3 is 12. This is the LCM. And now we can write this is 1 by 3 and LCM is 12. So made this the 12. So 3 into 4 is made 12, and this is the 4. 4 and 4 cut. So the 1 by 3 this is, and similarly this is the 1 by 4, and so made this is the 12. So we can 4 into 3, this is the 12. So there is the 3. 3 cut 1 by 4. And similarly this is we can write this is 1 by 6, and made the LCM is 12 made. So this is 6 into 2, 12. So here is 12. 2 to cut 1 by 6. And now this is the 4 by 12, and this is the 3 by 12, and this is the 2 by 12. And soon we can write right now this is 9. So 4 here, and the 1 by this is power, we can write this, and this is we can write this is the 3 is, and there is the 1, this is power here, this is we can write this, and this is we can write the 2, and this is the similarly this. And now we can write this is 9 to the power 4. So this value is the 9 to the power value is 6,561. This is 12, and this value is the 20. This is the 20 into 20 is the 400. 400 into 20. This is the 8,000, and this is 25 in a square. So this is the 625. This is, so the power of all is equal, lowest, then this is the biggest value. So we can write in ascending order. So we can write that this is the lowest. So we can write this is the lowest, then this is the, we can write 9, and then this is the biggest. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.